2018 GMC Yukon XL review. Expansive cargo space and classic V8 power result in the Yukon XL, a great, mission-specific SUV. The 2018 GMC Yukon XL's 9 passenger capacity and strong towing power help it become ideal for big families and outdoor recreation. But the Yukon's imposing mass and traditional SUV design please take a toll on maneuverability, fuel economy and ride comfort. You expect as often in an SUV on this size. The utility is undeniable. Even with the 3 row seats deployed, it's got 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space available. Fold along the second and third rows, and you've a whopping 121 cubic feet of maximum cargo space to use. If towing can be your thing, the Yukon XL can lug nearly 8,300 pounds. All with this makes the Yukon XL a relatively mission-specific vehicle. Sure, for just a big SUV, we've thought it was easy to drive, while you are going straight. But navigating tight parking lots and city streets requires caution, calculation and several amount of faith within the space around your vehicle. There's also no escaping the Yukon XL's roots. The truck-based suspension can't provide you with the car-like ride comfort of a crossover. Nor would be the Yukon images of efficiency with the EPA rated 18 miles per gallon combined for any base 4-wheel drive version. Finally, the purchase price premium attached with GMC vehicles is hard to justify since the related Suburban has a lot of the same features for no more. That said, the Yukon XL's size, power and type will undoubtedly hit the mark for any very specific buyer. What's new? The 2018 GMC Yukon XL receives only minor changes. The Denali version features a new 10-speed automatic transmission which should slightly improve fuel economy and acceleration. Other changes incorporate a new chrome grille design along with a new Denali Ultimate package with 22-inch wheels, a sunroof along with a large helping of tech add-ons. Even however the base SLE model can contain 9 passengers, its limited inside features and options there is. Between the standard and optional features, the mid-level SLT strikes a great balance of comfort, convenience and safety without going all in using a Denali trim. Trim levels and features. The 2018 GMC Yukon XL can be a full-size SUV offered in SLE, SLT and Denali trim levels. The smaller Yukon is included in a separate review. The SLE base trim commences with a 5.3-litre V8 engine, 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque paired to your 6-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, 4-wheel drive is optional. Standard SLE features include 18-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, side steps, roof rails, front and back parking sensors, automatic wipers and also a trailer hitch receiver using a wiring harness. Standard interior features include Driven automatic climate control, power adjustable front seats, and 6,040 split folding second and third row seats. Also included can be a 110-volt power outlet, an 8-inch touchscreen interface, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth, OnStar communications having a 4G LTE connection and Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a 9-speaker Bose head unit with CD player, satellite and HD radio as well as a USB input. GM's Teen Driver Monitoring System, which limits certain vehicle settings for young drivers, also comes standard. The optional Enhanced Driver Alert package adds forward collision alert with automatic low-speed emergency braking, a VIB safety alert driver seat, automatic high beams, and lane departure warning and intervention. The convenience package adds a power-operated liftgate, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power-adjustable pedals plus a universal garage door opener. The SLE even offers an optional front bench seat that increases capability to 9 passengers. The SLT trim includes all the features mentioned and adds a hands-free liftgate, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, keyless entry and ignition, leather upholstery, a heated and power-adjustable tire, heated and ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, power-folding second and third-row seats, and driver seat memory functions. The top-off-the-line Deanly trim adds a much more powerful 6.2-litre V8 engine, 420 horsepower, 460 lb-ft of torque, a 10-speed automatic transmission, 20-inch wheels, xenon headlights, adaptive suspension dampers, a trailer brake controller, a head-up instrument display, active noise cancellation, second-row bucket seats, a navigation system, a radio smartphone charging pad along with a 10-speaker surround sound head unit. The new for 2018 Deanly Ultimate Package bundles 22-inch wheels, a sunroof, power side steps, adaptive cruise control, a rear seat entertainment system with DVD player, along with an extended satellite radio and traffic information subscription, among other things. Many from the Deanly's features are available as alternatives on SLT trims, while methods of SLE and SLT trims include 22-inch wheels as well as a heavy-duty trailering package, unique axle ratio, trailer brake controller plus a self-leveling suspension. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our full test from the 2015 GMC Yukon XL Deanly 6.2 litres V8, 6-speed automatic, 4WD. Note: since this test was conducted, the present Yukon XL has brought some revisions, including a new 10-speed automatic transmission for 2018 Deanly trims. Our findings remain broadly applicable to this particular year's Yukon XL. Litre V8 is powerful. Fears ample oomph to go the Yukon rapidly. The Deanly's adaptive suspension manages the solid axle suspension well. Acceleration. The 6.2-litre V8 sounds good and allows the Yukon to strike 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. Fears ample yank for passing at freeway speeds, too. Our test example had the prior 6-speed transmission. The 2010 10-speed should slightly improve acceleration. Braking. Stopping from 60 miles per hour required 134 feet, that's average, in any other case long, with the class. In regular use, the brakes feel just okay, which has a relatively soft, long travel pedal. Many competitors will do better. Steering. Steering weight is adequate, otherwise a bit light. Steering feel is minimal, but fact is decent. Keep the Yukon on open roads and steering is predictable as well as simple. Handling. The Deanly, which consists of adaptive suspension, is much more controlled when on offer turns over a standard Yukon XL or Chevy Suburban. The Yukon's dimensions are there, nonetheless it manages practically considering those drawbacks. Driveability. Though its reactions are slow because of the standard of smaller SUVs, the Yukon exhibits decent road manners. Comfort. The Yukon Deanly is often a luxury SUV, and it also treats its occupants accordingly. It is both quiet and cozy. The solid axle rear suspension limits ride comfort. Entertainment features are abundant. Seat comfort. The front seats are heated and ventilated and give ample adjustability and good support. The second row seats tend to be inadequate for big passengers. Even the third row will accommodate adults. This is usually a big SUV. Space is its strength. Ride comfort. Body motions are well controlled inside Yukon Deanly. though there is not any denying the use of big heavy wheels plus a solid rear axle. Most drivers is going to be satisfied. Noise and vibration. Admirably quiet inside. Active noise cancellation works effectively within the Yukon to deaden interior noise. Wind and road noise levels are insignificant. This isn't leaks as quiet, but it really is close. Interior. Materials and build quality are very high. There are many comfort and entertainment features. Navigation is standard on Denali. Second and third row entertainment displays are offered. Ease beneficial. A power tilt and telescoping steering column is standard, similar to power adjustable pedals. The audio and climate control buttons and knobs are generously sized. Getting in, jetting out. It's tall, though the big door openings, running boards and grab handles ultimately make Yukon a reasonably easy vehicle to go into and from. The powerful down-tumble second row produces excellent use of the third row. Roominess. Abundant front and back leg and headroom. Depending on seat position, the driver's elbow can make contact with the big center armrest when steering. Otherwise, both second and third rows are stored on par or ahead on the competition. Visibility. Good view out on the front and sides. The windshield pillars are thin. A rear view camera, front and back parking sensors, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert come standard for the Denali trim. Quality. Except for Cadillac, any GMC in Denali trim would be the best built vehicle ahead from GM in recent memory. Perforated stitched leather seats certainly are a nice touch. We witnessed no quality problems. Utility. This is how the Yukon XL truly shines. With massive cargo space, available 9-passenger seating as well as a maximum 8,300-pound towing limit, the Yukon XL is nothing in any other case a master of utility. Technology. A standard 8-inch touch screen, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as a solid Bose audio system increase the risk for Yukon XL as connected as is possible. Optional rear seat entertainment as well as a full suite of driver assistance features assist the Yukon XL keep pace, which consists of touch-minded rivals.